Hello guys, we are here again. Come with me, let's grow this account to massive profit taker. As you can see, we are trading volatility 100 1x. You already know. So we are actually in a trade and we're making a lot of massive profit already. As you can see, this market is actually going to sell massively. I got this market from the signal that I caught yesterday. I know that this market is actually going to sell massively after this W pattern shape I saw over here. So I decided to take this market on a wrong long. So as you can see, we are actually making a lot of profit already, no doubt. And for the record, we are actually trading with one lot size, not much lot size, and we're making a lot of profit. I'm thinking that this market is actually going to reverse because of this breakout or this rejection point here. But let's watch because this is actually 1 minute time frame. A lot of things don't really happen in 1 minute time frame. If you want to check market already, take a look at it in 1 hour time frame and you will see what exactly I'm looking for. 4 hours time frame also, and also 1 day time frame. That's the kind of trade I go into. You're going into this or this, you are actually wasting your time because you're just gambling. It's called gambling. You're placing your trade expecting it to just go profit, then you take it immediately. That's called gambling. So if you're actually going into this market with this particular time frame, then you are definitely gambling. And when you gamble, you lose a lot of money unless you're actually with a big loss size and a big equity. That's when you go into this market just like this. Okay, I can see that the market break down from this previous blockage, and this market is actually going to sell massively. So let's stay tuned to this market and know how profitable this market could go. Already you know me, they call me first morning trade. You guys should hit to my Telegram channel and let's communicate over there, and also hit my WhatsApp channel. I'll be managing your accounts in case you are actually a learner in forex trading, a beginner. Please hit me up right now so that I will manage your account, or you'll get to join into a Telegram group, VVIP Telegram Academy that owns by me. There we'll be teaching you how to make your place, how to trade, how to use your take profit and uh, uh, and losses stop loss like I said. So hit me up on my WhatsApp or my Telegram. I will be showing you guys on how to do that. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is actually a new YouTube channel. My old YouTube channel got banned, or should I say that I lost the number, or should I say the password of that particular YouTube. So it's gone. So let's really actually make it cooler here. You know, we are actually making a lot of money over here. Let's establish an empire of traders that makes a lot of money. Let's not talk. Come to my Telegram channel, come to my Telegram group so that I can be able to add you up. Let's grow an empire together. Please stay tuned. When you're coming to my DM, don't come with please I want you to help me and grow $10 account. I don't do that. The minimum I can actually take is $500. I can actually manage $200, but $500 is the minimum. And please be assured that your account, you're going to be making massive profits from it every minute of the day. We are going to be sharing a little bit money funds and all that. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, or give this YouTube channel a thumbs up. Share this video to as many as you can, as many as your friends are, as many as your relatives are, and don't forget to like and comment done when you are done with sharing this video, or introducing it to your friends, or giving your friends to watch, for those of your friends that don't really have a cell phone for now. So let me ask you, let me quickly make this announcement. In our VIP Telegram channel on WhatsApp, on Telegram, we'll be doing giveaway over 1k dollars to 5 people, because you guys have really been there for me, and you guys have been a helper to me, and we'll be going to give out to the world exactly how they give out to us. So come to my DM, let's make it quicker. If you actually in for an investment, I'm open. Please spot it to my DM and tell me how much particularly you actually want to invest. And please don't forget, we're actually doing giveaway. So join our Telegram group right now, our VVIP right now, to acquire more knowledge than ever. The details will be dropped for you there in the Telegram group. Don't forget to share this video. Share it as many as you can, so that your friends and your family can be able to see it as you saw it too. And please have a nice, wonderful day. Don't forget to trade what you can actually lose. Don't go into trade if you are not sure about the trade. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share it. Have a wonderful and a nice day.